All right, so here in number 8, they give us the graphs and we're supposed to come up with the equation, but not really because they've written out the equation in a certain way. We just got to give them letters A, B, and C. In this case, it's important we know what each letter stands for. A, in this case, is the amplitude, and B is the frequency, and C is the midline. So, first thing I'm going to do is try to establish what the midline is. That looks like 5. And then I count up and down to make sure they're the same number, and I can see that there's 4 above the midline and 4 below the midline. That's going to be the amplitude, because the amplitude is how high or how low it goes below the midline. It should be the same number. And then frequency. Well, that's the number of cycles that happen in a 2 pi time frame. So there's 1 cycle, there's 2 cycles. The frequency must be 2. And now I've got all the information I need because I've already found out that the midline was equal to 5. But C is going to equal to 5. Now keep in mind this A, B, and C stuff only makes a difference in this particular situation. Here's the original equation. If you had to write it, that's what it would be. In question number 9, you'll notice how we've got the letters, and the letters actually stand for different things. In this case, the A is the midline, not the amplitude. And so the midline here is 3. And then this B is the number in front of cosine. That's the amplitude. That's how high or for below. So it goes 2 or 2. So that's going to be the amplitude. And then C in this case is the frequency. And that's how many times or how many cycles happen in a 2 pi or 360 time frame. And in this case it's 3 cycles. That's our frequency. And so then we can put together the equation by putting it A, B, and C in their places. The point of this is that don't get hung up about A being amplitude. I mean, you have to take a look at what they've written down and give it to them the way they want it. All right, but that's all there is to that. Thanks for watching.